Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You open the app or sit at the keyboard and immediately find middle C and any marked cat keys. This grounds pitch and orientation. Once done, enable the metronome at 60-80 BPM so you internalize steady timing. Make sure headphones are on for detail. You will notice cat tone articulations that blend into melody. Start by playing simple C-E-G shapes slowly with your right hand, while keeping the left hand root on C to feel the harmonic skeleton. You now focus on the cat motif and its characteristic rhythm. Play C-E-G, insert a short pause, then E-D, repeating slowly to lock the pattern. Once done, transition to alternating hands. Right hand carries the melodic cat motif, left hand sustains half-note roots to fill space. Make sure to accent the cat key hit subtly to create personality without overpowering the melody. Gradually increase tempo by 5 BPM increments while preserving clarity. This is how you retain art. You bring sections together by shaping dynamics. Crescendo into the chorus to make the cat motif sing, then drop to pianissimo for playful tails. Once done, practice the ending, a descending arpeggio resolving to a soft cat chime so listeners feel closure. If phrasing or timing slips, slow the passage to about 70% speed and loop the treble bars until clean. This troubleshooting method fixes blurred runs. Finally, run a full take at performance tempo and record to evaluate tone and timing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.